everyone! Right around this time, my San Diego Comic-Con vlogs should have just wrapped up. And the next couple of vlogs will mainly focus on local events. So if you're new in this channel, welcome. And if you're already a current subscriber, thank you very much for your support. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram for the latest and greatest in pictures, stories, and mini vlogs on IGTV. As you may or may not know, I'm a huge fan of 360 videos. I think it's been a great supplement to my vlogs. Well, now I've recruited my fur baby, Bailey, to take 360 videos on his own. To see the world in his perspective, since I pretty much take him everywhere with me locally. You ask, how in the world? Well, the camera that I use is Insta360 One, whose stabilization quality is just incomparable. And the company markets this stabilization via commercials where they strap on the camera to dogs who are running and playing. So Insta360 One offers a pet bundle, but it looks and reads to be geared towards larger dogs. My Bailey is a small dog. He is about 12 pounds, over 10 pounds, right around 12 pounds. So how do I work around that? YouTube to the rescue. I came across this video by Justin Bravo where he tested and experimented on his puppy using a GoPro pet harness. And voila! With just a few tweaks, I was able to fit it appropriately for Bailey's size and weight. So this is the GoPro pet harness mount. So there's a couple of straps that would strap on the torso and then across the chest. This plate is the back plate. With this, normally a chest mount is also included. So normally it would be like this. So the box comes with these two back plate and a chest mount. But when I tried it initially on Bailey, this would hit or get in the way of his armpit, that I don't want him to hurt himself or get hurt. So I decided to just take it off. So this clip and this gadget thingamajiggy here comes on the box or with the package. I had to buy the tripod mount separately. So as you can see, for these hooks, they just hook onto these loops. There. So there's really nowhere on this harness can you hook the leash onto safely and securely. Normally, I use this harness on Bailey where the leash hooks on the back, but with this setup, there's just no way for my little Bailey to wear all this contraption and be comfortable. Ideally, the optimal use for this would really be on well-behaved, well-trained dogs. Well, my Bailey is not one of those dogs. He's still very excitable and very social, so he definitely needs a leash. And this is the Bailey, if y'all haven't met him yet. So I am going to use a front clip harness where the leash will attach right here. As you can see, the harness wraps around the body and underneath the armpit, and then the force to lead him with will be in the front. So there won't be a lot of weight on him, because this will already sit on his back like that, which covers about half of his back. I've tried a front clip harness on him before, but because of his hyper behavior, he would get tangled with the leash. So hopefully this time he's a bit calmer because he's older, right? Not sure if that has a correlation. So hopefully it'll work out. And we're gonna try this whole setup walking around our neighborhood later today, and hopefully everything works out. This whole idea and setup came about because he and I are attending an event this month of August, the Giants Dog Days of Summer at the ballpark, which is coming up pretty soon. So I'm a little nervous for him and I, but I hope that the experience for him and for me, who's going to try to juggle holding him, making sure that he doesn't get loose off of the new harness, that the equipment, the camera on him, doesn't come off, and all the while trying to vlog the whole experience. It's definitely going to be a circus, and definitely a vlog to watch out for. As you can see, the straps are getting in the way, but it looks like it works fine, huh? I still have, it's snug on him, but I still have about 2 fingers worth of allowance underneath all these straps that he's got. So I'm trying not to make sure that all of these buckles are not hitting anywhere uncomfortable on his body. I have to find out what I'm gonna do with this because I don't want him to trip over it. Let's see. Actually, these are fine. Or actually, I can just do this. In his mind, if He can only talk. What the hell are you doing to me? So now we're gonna go outside and see the world in his perspective. Okay, here we go. Testing 1, 2, 3. From the time we actually left the house to this corner block, the whole contraption was already skewing to the right. Alrighty. Correctly. Okay. Almost there. Almost home. Oh. Take a picture. Come on. Ay, really. On the side again. Bailey. 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 Come here. And so we're back from our walk. It wasn't a total success, but it wasn't a failure either. Just a lot of lessons learned. The camera harness kept tilting from one side or the other. It barely stayed upright, or there was just a couple of minutes in between the tilting when it stayed upright. And I know it's because the harness just wasn't snug or flush enough to his little body, wherein lies my concern that I don't want to squeeze the air out of him. So I will definitely need to remedy that, where I would have to make the bands tighter to where he can tolerate it. So just to make the setup stable, or stable enough, or longer, because it kept tilting from side to side, I don't know, every 2 minutes, if not less. Actually, exaggeration, maybe 5. So hopefully all in time to work itself out by our event. So from my mindset to yours, more to come. Every Monday, folks, I've decided on the day that I will regularly post my vlogs. Mondays. And a few Wednesdays here and there, but Mondays works out the best for my schedule. So I hope my weekly vlogs will entertain you, at the least chase those Monday blues away. So subscribe, hit the like button below, comment. See you on the next vlog. Thanks for watching.